Meaning of dysprosium.
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 Dysprosium. Dysprosium is a chemical element with the symbol Di and atomic number 66. It is a rare earth element, and is silvery white in color. Dysprosium has a high magnetic susceptibility, and is used in making magnets that are used in electric motors and generators. It also has nuclear applications, and is used as a neutron absorber in nuclear reactors. Dysprosium has no known biological role in humans, but its toxicity has not been extensively studied. Overall, dysprosium is an important industrial material with various applications in technology and energy production.